Oh my fucking god, car number 4 was exploded by C4, no.
Good morning everyone, and welcome to the Cat Emoji Baby Heat News. I am your servant of the news of there was be a train was exploded by a car number 4. This bug is called C4, but who explode our trains card. These are members by those are not by information this but that name is from who could know it. It's all about but the train was exploded by the C4. The number 4 car was exploded already. Living from the Houston who saw it how the situation doing. Now I'm living in from the news. This is from the car number 4 was exploded by C4. For who calls name we don't know what's happening. But people are still angry by the bomb. But who can be destroyed? If you damn this train, do not listen to the train, but who can be died by a deadless bomb. Many people are mad, but who can be not suicidation. Are those people are mad? These mobs are not all what's happening. But maybe C4 who was to be explode identified bomb. Do not recording by a train. If you damn this one, don't let you something what's wrong. But alwaysness will be not the extent. Thank you for another day for nice try. We have a news for some reports. Good luck and safe. Thank you. We hope this about this train number 4 explode. Already, all of them will be frustrated by this situation was be dead or by a new people are not dead already by a new train, but who can be is during 2021. Alright, this is news takes of the Catemoji Baby Heat News with the reckoning news. Good luck and goodbye.